How to set up Google Maps profile. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can set up Google Maps profile. For that, open your Google Map application on your mobile device, and once you have opened it, you will see a profile icon at the top right. Click on your profile icon and then this window will appear where you will see your profile option. Click on this your profile and you will be taken to this page where you will find edit profile option. Click on edit profile and there you can add a bio for your profile. Also, you can edit your name and photo by clicking on this edit name and photo option here, and from this section you can edit your personal information and set up your Google Maps profile. As you will have to sign into your Google account to access Google Maps, so basically you set up Google account for your Google Maps profile. By doing so, you can set up your Google Maps profile. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.